Hello everyone, warm welcome to the session. In previous sessions, we have learned about data types and variables in PHP and its examples. Those who have missed the session, please check out the link in our eCases playlist. Today, let us see about operators and its examples. Operators are used to perform operations or actions on variables and values. If we are defining a variable and declaring a value to it, we can perform an action or an operation with the help of operators. PHP divides the operators in the following groups. They are arithmetic operators, assignment operators, comparison operators, increment decrement operators, logical operators, string operators, array operators, and conditional assignment operators. PHP arithmetic operators are used to perform common mathematical operations such as addition, subtraction, multiplication, division, etc. So if we try to perform the common arithmetic operation, we can use arithmetic operators. Then assignment operator. Assignment operator is like assigning or writing a value to a variable. Assigning a numeric value to a variable. The operator used for that function is assignment operator. The basic assignment operator in PHP is equal to. So the left side variable, we can also call it as operand. For that variable, we can assign a value based on the variables given in the right side. We can give some expression, assignment expression using the variables in the right side. The output of the value assigned in the right side will be assigned to the variable given in the left side. Next is PHP comparison operator. It is used to compare two values. It can be either a number or a string. Next is increment operators. Increment operators are used to increase or increment a variable's value. In a previous session, I have explained the increment operator with an example. Here, in this function, I have declared a value 0 to the variable $a. Later on, I have used an increment operator to increase the value automatically whenever this function is called. So repeatedly here, 4 times I have called the function. So the output will be printed 4 times with an incremented value of $a. So next is decrement operators. The reverse process of increment operator is decrement operator. Using this operator, we can decrease a variable's value. Next is PHP logical operators. It is used to combine conditional statements. If we are giving a certain condition to perform an action, we can combine two different conditions using logical operators. PHP has two operators that are specially designed for strings. Next is PHP array operators. It is used to compare two different arrays. Two or more arrays can be compared using array operators. And finally, conditional assignment operators. So, a logical statement or a conditional statement given based on a condition, it will execute an output. So, the output can be assigned to another variable using conditional assignment operator. Let us see the operators, first two operators, the arithmetic operators and assignment operators with an example. Now I'm going to create a PHP code. As said earlier, the PHP print statement of PHP is echo. So if I try to write the echo statement simply without PHP open and close tags, and if I try to run this, we'll be getting the statement given as it is. So to create a PHP code, to execute a PHP action, we should use the open and close tags, the preprocessor tags of PHP. Though we save the file with an extension of .php, and if we try to run using the WAMP server, it will print the statement as it is. So now let me try to open a HTML body section, and within that I'll continue the codings further. So let me create a variable called $A and assigning a value to it. To perform different arithmetic operations, I'm creating one another variable called $B and assigning a different value to it. So let us try to create an addition arithmetic operation. Let us see the output. Well, here the value of $A is 10, the value of $B is 2. So the addition operator performs the addition action. Next, let us try the subtraction. So with the same set of values, I'm trying to create the subtraction operation. And again, let me continue the same with different actions. Now with this multiplication. The star in this program denotes the multiplication action. Next is division. And other two actions are modulo. Modulo is same as division, but here it gives the output, it gives the remainder as output. And these two stars. Single star denotes the multiplication action, whereas double star denotes exponential operation. Here, with the same value 10 and 2, all these actions will be performed. Let us see the output. So the first value 12 comes with addition action. 10 plus 2 is 12. Next one is 10 minus 2, 8. 10 into 2, multiplication, so 20. Next is 10 divided by 2, that is 5. Next is 10 modulo 2. The remainder of the division will be 0. So here it is 0. And finally, exponential. 10 to the power of 2. 10 into 2. That is 2 times 10 is multiplied. So the answer will be 100. These are arithmetic operators. Now let us see the assignment operators. Here I am trying to create one another variable $x. As given above, let me try to create an addition assignment. So $x will be assigned the value with addition action. Here the output will be 100. How does 100 comes? Here I have created a variable called $x with the value 20. In the next line, I have created an assignment operator plus equal to, which performs an addition value with this predefined value. So here it is 20 plus 80. It is 100. This action can also be given as $x is equal to $x plus 80. Similarly, I'll continue with subtraction. Here it is 70. How comes 70? The recent output of $x is 100. So here the action is subtraction with the value 30. So 100 minus 30 is 70. And let us check with multiplication. I'll give the multiplication with existing variable $b. So the output of $x will be 140. Here the value is 70 into 2. $b is assigned with the value 2. So this actually I have given in a full form. So 70 into 2 is 140. Next is division. So the value of $x $X divided by 5. Next is modulo. So the modulo gives the remainder output, which is 0. The previous value is 28. 28 divided by 4, and the remainder value will be 0. So except exponential action, all the other actions can be used with some assignment operator. Okay, friends. Let us see about comparison operators, increment and decrement operators, and its examples in the upcoming session. If you have any doubts regarding the content explained today, please share your comments. We'll give the answers in the next session. Do comment, like, share, and subscribe to our EKCS channel for more educational videos. Thank you.